Hey guys, welcome to our latest project in Maylands, where we are transforming this tired workers cottage to create an open plan 274 square metre family home. This is our third character home extension on this well sought after street in Maylands, where our time frame and our quality of work have been our greatest referral. This home was built in 1912 and has been a family home for multiple generations. Follow us over the coming weeks as we take you through the progress of this restoration.